Hey Etobicoke, it's your friendly neighborhood John the Plumber, serving you since 2006. Your reliable source for same-day emergency plumbing services near you. Need plumbing services or drain cleaning services in Etobicoke? John the Plumber. We provide you fast, reliable, and same-day solutions for your plumbing problems in Etobicoke. Clogged toilet, clogged drain or clogged sink, leaking pipes, broken sump pump, need emergency plumbing, need plumbing repair done for home renovations? We have it all covered. Why wait days for things like blocked toilets, flooded basements, or drain cleaning? We have emergency plumbers near you that are ready to provide you with plumbing solutions for your home. All of our plumbers near you are licensed and insured, so you know you're getting quality service. Our industry-leading 2-year warranty covers all of our plumbing repairs, installations, and plumbing services. This covers anything from faucet and valve installations to bigger things like sump pumps, toilet installations, or multi-room renovations in your home. Ron says they recently bought a home and experienced leaking from the shower. They replaced the makeshift P-trap with a proper one and tested it thoroughly. I recommend this company. The spare said his job was done in no time and that they had a good suggestion on how to avoid blockage in the future. Satisfied with the service and will use them again. Dave says, would highly recommend, could not be happy with the service we got. Concerned about costs? John the Plumber offers competitive pricing and detailed quotes, plus easy financing options with Finance It. Enjoy soft, non-invasive credit checks and flexible payment plans, all without hidden penalties. Join the thousands of customers already experiencing great plumbing services and fair pricing from certified, trusted, and licensed professionals at John the Plumber. Don't wait for a disaster to strike. Call us or book online and save $20 with John the Plumber.